So, right now guys is nandito kami na camping. So, ayan. Malapit kami sa water. Ayan. And the trees. So, ayan yung aming camping setup. Ayan. Ito yung aming mga gamit and everything. So, dito kami natulog out on the truck. Ayan. They go fishing. Ayan. Yung aming makinig kayo guys sa sounds ng water. So, nag-bonfire kami last night. So, we have our car and sleep here. We got a ladder like that. Yan. And then, our things in here, I cover it. And that's the view. See? When you wake up in the morning, and grabe ang dami namin nag-camping ngayon guys. Kasi, it's a camping season and a lot of people and our neighbor is very noisy with they have a party last night.